How to download YouTube videos for offline viewing in YouTube mobile app. This tutorial shows you how to save videos temporarily for offline watching. First, open the YouTube app on your Android device. Next, find the video you want to download for offline viewing. Following that, tap on the video to open it and start playing. Now, look below the video player for the download button or arrow icon. Moving forward, tap on the download button to start saving the video. Afterwards, YouTube will ask you to select the video quality for the download. In addition to that, you can choose from options like 360p, 480p, or 720p, depending on your preference and storage space. Once you've selected your preferred quality, tap on Download to begin. Subsequently, the video will start downloading and you'll see a progress indicator. Moreover, downloaded videos are saved in the Library tab under Downloads. Afterwards, tap on the library icon at the bottom and then select Downloads to view all your offline videos. Then, keep in mind that downloaded videos are available for up to 48 hours or 30 days, depending on your region. Within this time limit, you can watch the videos without an internet connection. Alternatively, you'll need to reconnect to the internet periodically to renew the download license. Once the time expires, you'll need to download the video again to watch it offline. Then, to delete downloaded videos and free up space, tap on the three dots next to the video and select Delete from Downloads. And that's it. If this offline download guide helped you watch YouTube without internet, give it a like, subscribe for more YouTube tips, and hit the bell icon for notifications. See you in the next one.